Why not get an ice cream? Lexi thought. And in that moment, she turned her words into action. She put on her favorite pair of Vans, the only pair she owns, and grabbed her skateboard, the most appropriate mode of transit for the occasion. The ice cream shop she's headed to is located just 3 blocks away, dangerously close to her apartment, but being cash only adds some distance. As she approaches, she walks up to the window, only to realize she doesn't actually know what she wants, despite having come here multiple times. She contemplates trying something new as she looks at the menu, but, as always, returns to a classic.
Can I have 1 scoop of strawberry ice cream and a waffle cone, please?
She patiently waits, and then hands over her hard-found cash in exchange for ice cream. And, with ice cream in her hand, she has a lovely rest of her day.